Here at the container sorting system, the containers are reunited with the fines, those tiny glass pieces and other items we left way back in the process. Once again, it all starts with a pre-sort station where workers check for contamination. If we make the grade here, we continue on to the cross-belt magnet. The magnet removes all the steel cans from the stream and zap! Discharges them into their own personal bunker. Next, the light and heavy materials are separated by the air classifier. The heavy stuff, the glass, jiggles down to the bottom. The light stuff, like plastic bottles, milk and juice cartons, and the beautiful aluminum cans, rise to the top. A jet of air blasts across the top and shoots the light materials over to our own conveyor belt. The plastics are then hand-sorted by material and grade and tossed, with respect of course, into the appropriate bunker. From there, they'll go to the baler and then be sold to make new bottles and even materials like countertops, carpeting, and clothing. And finally, it's my turn. The aluminum cans are sent to the eddy current separator. Oh, I love saying that. The big magnet inside creates a current that literally propels the aluminum out of there and into its own storage bin. Whew! Once all these light containers have been sorted and baled, they're ready for shipment by truck, by train, and by ship to markets all across the country and even around the world. And now, let's back up to the air classifier where the light materials were blown away. The heavy materials, the glass and all those fines, stay on the conveyor belt. In order for glass to be resold to glass bottlers, everything that isn't glass needs to be removed. Materials like ceramic dishes and plates, stones, metal pieces and other debris completely mess up the bottler's melting process, so they must come out. And where does this happen? Drum roll, please. In the glass cleaning system. As we've seen with the other sorting equipment at this facility, the glass system is still about size, so the large and small glass pieces are separated by some really fun equipment. First, they go through screens, a rolling drum, and then onto a bucket elevator ride. It's like a glass amusement park. I think I'm a little jealous. As the equipment shakes, breaks, and rolls, the glass is transformed into pieces no bigger than 2 inches across. Yahoo! After that ride comes another group of friendly hands to remove any plastic or other containers that slipped under the air classifier ride. But not to worry, these materials are hand-delivered back to the container sorting system where they belong. After all that fun, the glass goes through a water mister, just like a water park. Here, a fine water mist wets the paper which sticks to a rotating drum and glass is separated from paper. But wait, there's still more cleaning to do. The glass travels through another vibrating screen and under a vacuum. The vacuum sucks up any remaining small pieces of plastic and paper and sends it to what's called the cyclone, where a centrifugal force pushes the paper and plastic out of the airstream and into the compactor for disposal. Yes, you may think the glass is having too much fun, but now it's time for some serious undercover work. It all takes place in a box called the KSP unit, where ceramics, stones, and porcelain and additional contaminants are removed. This special unit is equipped with 2 optical detection devices, and it's the main reason the Boulder County Recycling Center produces clean glass like nobody else in the business. As the glass moves through the machine, special cameras watch. Light beams are shot at the glass, and the camera can tell if the light goes through the glass. If it doesn't, a computer connected to the KSP knows the material is not glass and that it must be removed. The computer signals air jets to push the non-glass materials out and onto a conveyor bound for the landfill. What's left is clean glass, free from paper, porcelain, stones, ceramics, and other non-glass materials that is conveyed into a storage bin and later transported to bottle manufacturers to make glass bottles. This glass sorting system is effective, but it sure took a lot of energy to remove those materials that should not have been put in the recycling bin in the first place. And that's how it all happens. The Boulder County Recycling Center is doing its part to help Boulder County become a zero-waste community by 2025. But because we're all in this together, remember to reduce, reuse, recycle, and compost. Because when you do all that, you're giving me another chance. See you next time around.